Thank you for taking the time to carefully read the essay number 4 prompt on this module page. I bet you're wondering why I chose this topic. Why are you exploring an ethical issue or an innovative trend in your chosen field, whatever your career is, whatever you're getting your degree in? And I have a couple answers for that. One, when you get hired for a job or career, the interviewer is not just interested in your resume of skills and experience, but also your character, which is ethics. So sometimes, for example, an interviewer might ask you about how you deal with work conflict in the workplace, if you have any experience with that, and they want to see what your character is like and how you respond with people. Um, but I think just how you share uh, your empathy, your compassion for clients or patients in your field, if you have any, that says a lot about you. And there are always a lot of ethical dilemmas that come up in all kinds of work environments, from child centers, if you're in child development, to nursing, if you want to be a nurse, to law enforcement, to business consulting. There's all kinds of different ethical dilemmas. Um, so just, I think it's important to always think about the nature of the work itself. And the second bullet point is, for long-term career paths, it might be crucial for you to stay current on innovations. And I myself can relate to this because I ended up using this term in my own interview. They asked me in an interview question about the instructional strategies I use in the classroom, and I had to come up with all kinds of uh, ways in which I use technology in just in ways that are different, probably from how other instructors have normally taught in lessons in their classrooms. So when I was thinking of that, I realized, hey, I do like to use current, phone applications and different websites and competitive games. And I had all these innovative examples of, just things that I do in my teaching for instructional strategies. And then it came up in my final interview where they asked me, why should we hire you? That was the big question. And a lot of jobs ask that, like, why should we hire you? Why do you want to work here? And I said that my three strengths were collaboration, coordination, because I do a lot of events, and innovation. I said I'm very innovative with and current with what I do in the classroom. So, with that said, who knows? It could come up as a question for you as well. And then lastly, I really just wanted to create a meaningful paper for you so that you get to develop your own interests and you get to have an original argumentative voice on this paper. Hopefully, you're choosing a topic you really care about, not just something you think you can write. Okay, I just got to get this, 5 to 7 page research paper done. Hopefully, it's something you're invested in. The best kind of writing is when you draw meaning from what you are researching. It's when you come up with your own stance and hopefully even apply it to the real world, which is your future career someday. So thank you for your time listening to this and hearing me explain it. I just want to say lastly that I have had some awesome essays come out of this final research paper, like really, really awesome results have come up from what students have found in their field. So if you need any help, let me know, but I'm excited for what you'll find.